Hello everyone, myself Dhawal Kumar Javda, volunteer of Criminology at Applied Forensic Research Sciences. Today we are coming with new MCQ series. First, what is the Latin term that means the body of crime? And the options are option A actus reus, option B mens rea, option C stare decisis, option D corpus delicti. And the correct answer is option D corpus delicti. Next MCQ, second MCQ, that is a perspective on the of criminal justice that assumes that the system components function primarily to serve their own interest is, and the options are option A consensus model, option B conflict model, option C civil justice, option D public order. And the correct answer is option B conflict model. Next MCQ, third, that is among the following, find out the order in which they proceed in the criminal justice system. First, that is judgment, second, charge sheet, third, trial, and fourth, release on probation. And the options are, अगर देखा जाए तो सबसे पहले होती है चार्जशीट फाइल होती है, उसके बाद उसका ट्रायल होता है, उसके बाद उसकी जजमेंट होती है, जज के द्वारा दी जाती है, और उसके बाद उसको प्रोबेशन पर रिलीज़ किया जाता है. ठीक है, तो इसका सही ऑर्डर होता है सेकंड, थर्ड, फर्स्ट एंड फोर्थ. तो ऑप्शन सी इज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. फोर्थ, next MCQ, that is fourth, among the following experts, which person visited India in early 1950s to study the Indian prisoners? Okay, the options are option A E.H. Sutherland, option B J.J. Pankhal, option C Marvin Wolfgang, option D Walter C. Reckless. And the correct answer is option D Walter C. Reckless. Now next MCQ, that is fifth, who amongst the following is not associated with labeling theory? And the options are option A Frank Tenenbaum, option B Edwin Lambert, option C Howard S. Becker, and option D Howard B. Kaplan. And the correct answer is option D Howard B. Kaplan. Now next MCQ, that is sixth, स्पिरिट ऑफ द पैरोल और प्री मैच्योर रिलीज इज. इसमें कुछ सेंटेंसेस दिए हैं, जैसे फर्स्ट है रिफॉर्मेशन एंड रिहेबिलिटेशन, सेकंड सेविंग फॉर पब्लिक एक्सचेंजर, थर्ड यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ फैमिली एंड कम्युनिटी रिसोर्सेज, एंड फोर्थ कॉन्सेशंस टू द रॉन्ग डूअर. फाइंड द करेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन यूजिंग द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. इसमें से हमको देखना है कि कौन सी सेंटेंस करेक्ट है. So the correct answer is option A. First, second and third are correct. Now next MCQ, that is seventh, Sutherland's differential association theory has, and the options are A 8 postulate, B 9 postulate, C 6 postulate, and D 10 postulate. And the correct answer is option B 9 postulate. Now next MCQ, that is 8th, that is who postulated criminal hearing also includes technique of committing crime, also specific motives driven and rationalization. Options are option A James Simpson, option B Kathleen Dully, option C Albert Bandra, and option D E.H. Sutherland. Correct answer is option D E.H. Sutherland. Now next MCQ, that is ninth, arrange the following concept in which they evolved in the criminological thought. Use following quotes. First, classical schools, second, integrated theories, third, ecological theories, and fourth, positive schools. And the options are, अगर इसका ऑर्डर देखा जाए तो फर्स्ट सबसे पहले आता है क्लासिकल स्कूल, उसके बाद आता है पॉजिटिव स्कूल, उसके बाद आता है इकोलॉजिकल थ्योरीज एंड देन इंटीग्रेटेड थ्योरीज. सो इसका करेक्ट ऑर्डर रहेगा फर्स्ट, फोर्थ, थर्ड एंड सेकंड. एंड द ऑप्शंस The option C is the correct option. Now, next MCQ, that is 10th. A court order in response to a violation of condition of probation, taking away a person's probationary status, thereby withdrawing the freedom is called, and the options are option A parole revocation, option B split sentence, option C probation revocation, and option D probation restriction. And the correct answer is option C probation revocation. Now the next MCQ is, that is 11th. According to the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993, who is appointed chairperson of the State Human Rights Commissions? And the options are option A former judge of High Court, option B former advocate governor, option C former attorney general, option D former chief justice of High Court. And the correct answer is option D former chief justice of High Court. And the next MCQ, that is 12th. Who among the following is not associated with integrated theories? Option A Ronald L. Acres, option B Francis T. Cullen, option C David B. Farrington, option D Edwin Ed Sutherland. And the correct answer is option D Edwin H. Sutherland. Now the next MCQ, that is 13th. The word critical in the critical criminology means option A deviance, option B skillful judgment, option C conflict, and option D power. And the correct answer is option B skillful judgment. Now next MCQ, that is 14th. The part of the law that defines crimes and the specific punishment is known as option A civil law, option B common law, option C local law, or option D substantive criminal law. And the correct answer is option D substantive criminal law. And the last and 15th MCQ, that is a developing intellectual approach which emphasizes the gender issue in the subject matter of criminology is called option A labeling criminology, option B post-modern criminology, option C radical criminology, option D feminist criminology. And the correct answer is option D feminist criminology. Thank you.